Follow me, guys. We gotta go to a new world. Hey there, Endless.
Hello.
Do you want to join us? Would you like to become one of my little Pokemons?
Yeah, I'm done. Let me see what I got.
Yo, why can't I see their skins, bro?
You might need to change your settings, Blastoise.
Got you.
Bro, I had a Pokemon ready to go. I can't see what he is.
Penguin.
Awesome. Follow me. I'm gonna drop a portal. We're gonna go find more Pokemon. Furry hideout sounds good to me. Hop in, guys. We're going to the furry hangout. We're going to the furry hangout, Kristen, and we just recruited a random guy to be another one of my Pokemon. But he's a penguin. He's not being a Poke. He just picked a penguin for some reason. We're going to a world called Furry Hideout. Alright, boys. The goal in here is to get some Volpera Ussie.
I think I'm pretty sure he's gonna get
The timing is impeccable.
Well, tell me why you're lying on your bio. What, you're not spoiled.
too many of them.
Oh no. I don't think we're in the Kanto region
Ash?
anymore.
Where are we?
Shit, I have to play.
This is my first Sona.
Sorry? Why is
I can't do it from over the top. It's too fucky. It's too fucky.
Don't you got like Pokeballs? Can't you put your little Pokemon?
Blastoise, stop that and follow me.
Holy shit. Fuck me.
My arms are kind of normal size.
Pokemon, on me.
I'm stuck. Ash,
You need
help me.
you need to press accept. Press accept right
Ash
here.
wants you, bro. Ash wants you.
Press accept right
Ash wants
here.
you, Bulbasaur. Press accept, bro. Press accept.
Press
It's like
accept right here.
where
Thank
I
you,
was.
Mr. Cobain. Thank you.
Will you, hey Cobain, play me a song, brother. I'll sing it for you.
I got you. Do you know heart shape box?
Yeah.
5'2"?
Oh shit, it's the wrong fret.
How short are you?
I can't make no fucking 100 pounds.
I found a dwarf.
Pixelated ass hand, dude.
I found a dwarf.
Okay. There's too many people over there. I gotta. I could definitely pulling up. Pokemon, come here. We lost Blastoise back there. We lost Blastoise. He got distracted by Kurt Cobain. Could one of you go get Blastoise?
Bulbasaur learned a new trick.
Show me your trick, Bulbasaur. Wait, I found Blastoise.